There once was a herd of elephants, and they all say,
Do it again.
oh, no, I can't do it again because then Daddy might have an aneurysm.
Charlie Hinton could afford to give his son everything.
Princeton for preschoolers. You say this Chapman is the best, right? It's the best. Our son gets the best.
But everything is about to change.
We're shutting down the whole division.
How was your day?
I lost my J.O.B.
Bye, baby. I'll be at the office.
Okay, well, just make sure you call us and let us know when you're coming back. We'll be here waiting, just the two of us.
From Revolution Studios.
I need a job, a real job. Fry cook.
Desperate times.
Someone opened a decent daycare program around here, they make a killing.
Call for desperate measures.
A daycare center, you and me.
You're already taking care of one. How much harder can 10 be?
10 times?
You know what type of responsibility that is?
Yes, and I'll be just as careful with them as I am with Ben. Oh, hey, man, don't be just rubbing your head into stuff.
Now they're prepared to go
I gave it 3 days.
where no daddy has gone before.
Can't men do anything that women can do?
No, we can't.
This season,
Welcome to Daddy Daycare. Don't panic, because they're like animals. They can smell fear.
chaos
We're going to have to up our game today, all right? We need some structure and some planned activities.
We need Ritalin and leashes, that's what we need.
rules.
Okay, you're going to take these and go on with your bad self.
Eddie Murphy
Hey, big guy. How'd it go in there?
I missed.
What does that mean?
I missed.
What?